Alright guys, you will learn how to scan YouTube QR code in this tutorial. So if you want to log into your YouTube account using the QR code on your TV screen, then this is what you need to do. The first you want to do is you want to make sure you have the scan QR code on the screen just like this. And once you have that, then go ahead and grab any phone. This could be your Android and it could be your iPhone. It works on both devices. Next thing is go ahead and open your phone camera like this. Once you open your phone camera, then scan the QR code. So just point at the QR code and then scan. Then you're gonna see YouTube link on the screen. Click on the YouTube link, and then this is going to open YouTube application on your mobile phone. The next you want to do is you want to click on continue as if that is the exact Gmail you want to sign in on your YouTube. Otherwise, click on the drop menu and then go ahead and select the Gmail you want to use on your TV. Now, to scan the QR code successfully, click on continue as your name on the screen and then hang on. On your smartphone, you should see the QR code, and on your phone, you should see the same code on your phone as the same thing on your TV like that. Now, once you can confirm the code to connect the device to your Google account, click on continue. Once you click on continue, go ahead and select your Gmail once again, and then you need to give YouTube access on your account. Scroll down and click on allow. Then hang on. You should see you now signed into the TV, and instantly you should see your YouTube account signed in. And now go ahead and select the YouTube channel you want to use on your TV and then click on OK. Once you click on that, you should see welcome to your YouTube channel just like that on your TV, and then you are good.